How to use Discord while playing games. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily use Discord while playing games. So the first thing you can do is open up Discord or app. I'll just continue on with the website. You can open up your app if you want. So what you basically want to do is create a keybind. So let's say for normal games, you can keep your mic open. But if you're playing any specific games like Among Us or something where you need to keep your mic muted until it's the meeting, you can use the push to talk feature on Discord. So simply go to the user settings, go to voice and video, and here for the input mode, make sure to select push to talk. Now just click on OK. Now you need to set up a keybind. Now I'll just record the keybind for now, tap on it, and I'll just press this button right here, numpad's slash, and then let's just stop recording. So this is the keybind. You can also add a delay to push to talk release. So if you release the button, it's still gonna pick up your sound after the 273 seconds or however long you set it. Let's say if I want it for 1 second, I can do that. Now don't forget to tap on save. Now if we go back here, I'll just undeafen for now. And since it's push to talk, I can mute it. And to talk, I can press this keybind button and it's gonna automatically unmute my sound. So that's how you can easily do push to talk on Discord while playing games. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.